So hello guys, I'm Renz Patrick Bayas and I'm currently a financial advisor in Manulife Philippines. So I'm going to discuss about Manulife Freedom at 65 plus. So ito yung endowment plan namin na merong option na 5 pay or 10 pay. Pero before we start, ano nga ba yung endowment plan? So it's a life insurance plan na tutulong sa'yo mag-grow yung pera mo without any risk. So meron ding fixed na ibibigay sa'yo o fixed return in the future. So kung halimbawa goal mo mag-save o may goal ka after 20 years or at your age na 65 for your retirement fund, so bagay na bagay sa'yo yung endowment plan. So ang maganda dito, wala siyang risk. So kung ano yung nasa contract na marireceive mo by that specific period, yun yung matatanggap mo. Kaya parang halos nag-bank ka lang. Ang maganda lang dito, you're protected at the same time. Kasi if kunyari, bank ka lang, 2 years pala nakakapag-ipon yung tao, yung client, biglang nawala. So yung 2 years lang na yun yung matatanggap nung family, or kung halimbawa ang goal is for education or for retirement, or kung may lump sum na isang amount na kailangan para mabili yung goal niya. Pero if halimbawa nasa ganitong endowment plan, biglang nawala yung nag-iipon for that, so may matatanggap kayong lump sum o life insurance proceeds. So here are the benefits na meron ng Freedom at 65 plus ng Manulife. So una, merong guaranteed lump sum cash benefit. So ito yung 100% of your fixed amount. So ang fixed amount nakadepende kung magkano budget ba yung meron kayo. Pero kunwari for this sample proposal na age 32 female yung nag-ask for proposal, 500,000 yung face amount. So 500,000 pesos cash yung lump sum at age 65. So, matatanggap niya yun ng fix yun mismo. So, walang risk na hindi niya matanggap or malugi yung plan. Kasi nga, this is under traditional or guaranteed plan. And then, meron din tayong guaranteed cash payout. So, ito naman yung magbibigay sa'yo every other year or every 2 years ng cash payout. So, magagamit mo, which is 10% of the face amount. Sa sample natin, 50,000 ang every other year na payout. And then, ang maganda dito, merong guaranteed life protection na double ng face amount, which is 500,000 times 2 is 1 million pesos life insurance. And then, meron din tayong guaranteed cash value na pwede nating magamit in case of emergency. So, loanable siya. Later, makikita nyo kung magkano yung amount ng cash value. And then, meron ding dividend earnings. So, ito lang yung laman ng plan na hindi guaranteed. Kasi, kumbaga, bonus na lang to extra. So, at 3% and 2% ang projection dito sa may proposal na ipapakita ko. And then, supplementary benefits as of now, yung proposal na to, hindi ko na nilagyan ng enhanced critical illness benefit, hospitalization daily allowance, and then accidental insurance. Pero meron tong accidental death at total disability waiver. So to quickly discuss yung mga benefits ng plan na to, meron siyang 1 million guaranteed death benefit. Like I said, doubled kasi yung face amount na 500,000, and then accidental death benefit na 500,000. So if client dies due to accident, total of 1.5 million yung makiklaim ng family. Pero in the event na ang client naman ay ma-disabled permanently and total disabled, so may total disability waiver tayo. So kunyari 2 years pa lang siya nakakabayad, and then yung client na permanently disabled, yung remaining 8 years, Manulife na yung bahala mag-cover at magbayad, and yung plan magko-continue lang as if si client ang nagbabayad ng plan. So, lahat ng benefits nandun pa rin, intact pa din. So, ito, nakikita natin, 76,562 yearly ang binabayad ng client dito sa sample na to. 32 years old female. And then, makikita din ninyo yung may guaranteed cash value, which is yung nabanggit kanina na loanable siya in case of emergency. So, makikita ninyo at age 42 tapos nabayaran ni client. And then, at age 43, mag-start na yung payout na 50,000, and then every other year. So, meron siyang payout until age 50, meron na siyang 5 payouts. And then, ito kasi summary to. So, nakita nyo, from 52, nag-jump na siya ng 55, 65. So, titingnan natin yung next page later para dun sa continuous na payout. Pero sa first page, nakalimang payout agad siya. Until age 65, meron siyang 11 payouts. And then, bukod dun, meron pa siya na mga accumulated dividend. So, pero yung dividend is pwede namang withdrawin anytime. Halimbawa, at age 50, gusto niyang withdrawin. Kunyari, may dividend na nasa 94,000 at 3% or 88,000 at 2%. So, pwede namang withdrawin yan, pero pwede rin hayaang mag-accumulate para mas maging okay yung return ng inside of dividends. Again, para wag po kayo malito, itong plan na to is guaranteed plan. Guaranteed ang cash payouts every other year, guaranteed ang cash lump sum at age 65, and then yung dividend kasi bonus lang, extra earning, so it's not guaranteed. So, yung maganda pa dito, at age 65, mare-receive nyo agad yung maturity benefit ng plan. So, isipin ninyo, yung iba kasi at until age 100, dun pa mare-receive maturity, di ba? At this time, para medyo mahirap na talagang umabot ng 100. Pero ito, at least, at age 65, mababa, may mare-receive ka na agad na cash reward or maturity benefit. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-antay until age 100. So, dito, hindi ko na ipapakita pala yung second page kasi nakasummary lang naman siya. So, kaya mapapansin niyo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 na payout lang. Pero, kung bibilangin natin, from age 43 to 65, meron pang 11 payouts. So, kasi summary na to nung plan. And then, bale, kung halimbawa, 50 times 11, 550,000 plus 500,000 lump sum. So, that's 1,050,000 na ang nakuha ni client at age 65 plus, hopefully, maging okay ang dividend, 275,000. So, kahit papano, nasa 1.3 million, almost doubled yung pera ni client. And then, at the same time, ang pinakamaganda pa rin dito because this is a life insurance plan na protektahan ka from your current age, kunyari 32 until age 65. Yun yung maganda doon. Kasi if ikaw lang yung naglagay nito sa bank, so wala namang protection yun. So halimbawa, naghulog ka 2 years. So nakaano ka na 153,000 na naipon. Biglang nawala yung client. So yun lang yung pwedeng makuha ng family kung para saan man yung ipon na yun. Compared to this plan, minimum of 1 million pwede makuha ng family at any time na mawala yung mismong client. So, yun naman yung isa sa advantage ng having an endowment plan. And then, at the same time, fixed na yung mga return and then walang risk. So, unlike sa mga VUL natin o insurance with investment, so, yun talaga, hindi natin maalis yung risk kasi it's an investment. So, this plan is very good for those na ayaw ng risk. And then, kasi meron din ako mga client na sinasabi nila, gusto ko yung pag nag-ipon ako or nag-open ako ng ganitong plan, gusto ko yung sigurado na yung hindi na malulugi or hindi mawawala yung benefits dahil naubos yung fund. So, this plan fits you. So, kasi ito, tapusin mo lang yung 10 pay. Andito na yung plan na to until age 65 until makuha mo yung maturity benefit. So, thank you for watching and hopefully, na intindihan nyo po mabuti yung Manulife Freedom at 65 plus. And then, meron din tayong 5pay. If kaya ng budget, okay din ang 5pay. So, mas mabilis. So, 5pay, and then mabilis lang yung pagbabayad, and then mag-start na agad yung payout. So, okay din siya for 0-year-old baby o mga kids nyo. Kasi mas madaming magiging payouts din. So, thank you for watching. And then, basta itong plan to is best for educational plan, retirement plan, syempre, yun yung pinaka-ano nito. And then, parang pinaka-savings plan nyo na. So, thank you for watching and have a good day po.